Why is floor skirting necessary for your home? Dear friends, floor skirting is a trim that can be installed around the perimeter of a room to conceal the edges of the flooring, as well as to cover up the space between the floor and the wall. This trim can be used in a variety of situations, including when installing new flooring, to hide gaps in the floor, or to cover up an old floor. Protects the wall. Have you ever seen markings on the walls that were left behind by very old furniture? Observe the marked areas and you may notice that in those particular areas, there was no floor skirting installed at all. Floor skirting provides a functional gap between the furniture, flooring and the wall. This is important for the long-term protection of your house walls. Covers gaps between flooring and wall. Sometimes, it may seem like your home's flooring has not been installed well, as there are visible gaps between the flooring and the wall. Before you call up your contractor to fault them, know that the gaps were intentionally created to accommodate the expansion or contraction of the flooring. Floor skirting helps to cover up these tiny gaps for a seamless flooring surface and prevents water from seeping in as well. Made from fully waterproof vinyl material, floor skirting ensures that the foundation of your floors and walls are not affected by the negative impacts of humidity. Its vinyl material makes it resistant to termites as well. Beautifies a home. Floor skirting can make a lot of difference to a blank piece of wall and brighten up a barren house. Done tastefully, it can even be considered as a design highlight of a house's interior. With PVC, laminated UPVC and vinyl floor or tile skirting products that come in a wide range of colors and designs, one can certainly mix and match the design of their floor skirting with their home's trendy flooring design. Barrier between wet mops and wall. Constant contact with a wet mop may ultimately damage your walls with ugly wet patches. When mopping the floor, a floor skirting acts as a useful barrier between your wet mop and the wall, preventing those ugly wet patches. The Floor Gallery's highly moisture-proof and durable eco-resilient vinyl floor skirting gives walls an extra layer of protection. Never underestimate the importance of what floor skirting can do for your home. With the right design and color, this simple furnishing can add beauty to your house and protect those precious walls as well. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.